There are moments in the night sky when the universe seems to slow down, inviting humanity to look upward and remember how connected we are to the vast cosmic dance happening above us. August 2026 promises to bring one of those unforgettable moments, a spectacular planetary gathering that will capture the imagination of sky watchers around the world. A planet parade is not a journey where planets line up perfectly like objects on a straight road. Instead, it is a beautiful alignment from our viewpoint on Earth, where several planets appear close together across the sky. This rare arrangement allows observers to witness multiple worlds shining in the darkness at the same time, creating a breathtaking celestial scene. Imagine stepping outside before sunrise, looking toward the horizon, and seeing bright planets glowing like ancient lanterns scattered across the heavens. Each planet carries its own story, worlds with different atmospheres, landscapes, temperatures, and mysteries. Yet on this special occasion, they appear united in one magnificent cosmic display. The August 2026 Planet Parade reminds us that Earth is not isolated. We are passengers traveling through space on a small blue world, surrounded by countless wonders that continue to inspire curiosity and exploration. Events like these connect generations, from young children seeing planets for the first time to experienced astronomers studying the movements of distant worlds. For thousands of years, humans have looked at the stars searching for meaning, guidance, and understanding. Ancient civilizations tracked planetary movements, recorded celestial events, and used the sky as a calendar. Today, we continue that tradition with advanced telescopes, space missions, and scientific discoveries that reveal more about our cosmic neighborhood. The beauty of the August 2026 Planet Parade is that it does not require expensive equipment to appreciate. With clear skies and a good viewing location away from bright city lights, many people will be able to enjoy this natural spectacle with their own eyes. A simple moment of standing beneath the stars can create a powerful sense of wonder. But beyond the beauty, this event carries a deeper message. The universe is constantly changing. Planets move in their endless paths, stars are born and disappear, and galaxies continue their slow cosmic journeys. What appears ordinary in the vastness of space can become extraordinary when we take the time to notice it. The night sky teaches patience. It reminds us that some of the greatest wonders cannot be rushed. The planets follow their own rhythm, moving through space according to the laws of nature. Their elegant movements show the incredible balance and order that exists throughout the cosmos. August 2026 will not just be another month on the calendar. It will be an opportunity to pause, step away from daily distractions, and witness a small part of the universe's grand story. A planet parade is more than a visual event. It is a reminder of our place in something much larger than ourselves. So mark your calendar, prepare your curiosity, and look toward the skies. When the planets gather in August 2026, the universe will offer a silent but powerful invitation to wonder, to explore, and to remember that we are all part of this incredible cosmic journey. The rare beauty of the August 2026 Planet Parade. Explain what a planet parade is and why the August 2026 event is special. Describe how several planets will appear together in the night sky, creating a breathtaking celestial display visible from Earth. The August 2026 Planet Parade is set to be one of the most exciting celestial events for skywatchers and astronomy enthusiasts. Although the phrase planet parade may sound as though the planets will form a perfect straight line in space, the reality is even more fascinating. From Earth's perspective, several bright planets will appear grouped across the sky, creating the illusion that they are traveling together in a grand cosmic procession. This rare visual alignment happens because each planet follows its own orbit around the Sun at different speeds, and only occasionally do their positions line up in a way that produces such a stunning view from our planet. For many observers, this event will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness multiple planets shining together in the same part of the sky. As darkness fades or before dawn breaks, depending on local viewing conditions, these brilliant worlds will decorate the heavens with distinct colors and brightness. Some planets may glow with a warm golden hue, while others appear white or slightly reddish, making the scene both beautiful and unforgettable. Unlike meteor showers that vanish in seconds, A planet parade can often be enjoyed over several days, giving people plenty of chances to admire the spectacle. Whether viewed with the naked eye, binoculars, or a small telescope, the event promises to inspire wonder in anyone who looks upward. It serves as a reminder that our solar system is constantly moving in a graceful cosmic dance, offering moments of extraordinary beauty that connect us with the vast universe beyond our own world. Why planetary alignments inspire humanity. Explore how people throughout history have admired planetary movements. Discuss how these celestial events inspire curiosity, scientific discovery, and a deeper appreciation of the universe. Since the earliest days of civilization, the movements of the planets have fascinated people across every culture. Long before powerful telescopes or space probes existed, observers spent countless nights watching the heavens, carefully recording the paths of bright wandering lights that moved differently from the fixed stars. These celestial objects inspired stories, calendars, navigation techniques, and scientific curiosity that eventually shaped our understanding of the solar system. The August 2026 Planet Parade continues this timeless tradition, reminding us that the night sky still has the power to capture our imagination just as it did thousands of years ago. Every generation experiences moments when the universe presents an extraordinary display, encouraging people to pause their busy lives and look upward with a sense of wonder. Beyond its visual beauty, a planetary gathering also highlights humanity's endless desire to explore the unknown. Seeing several planets shining together encourages questions about their origins, their unique environments, and the incredible distances separating them from Earth. It sparks conversations among families, inspires students to learn more about astronomy, and motivates scientists to continue exploring the mysteries of space through telescopes, satellites, and robotic missions. Even those with little knowledge of astronomy often find themselves amazed by the simple sight of multiple planets glowing in the same sky. Events like the August 2026 Planet Parade remind us that science and wonder can exist side by side. While astronomers can explain the precise orbital mechanics behind the alignment, the experience itself remains deeply inspiring. Looking at the planets together creates a powerful, the science behind the cosmic spectacle. Explain that planets are not actually lined up in space, but appear close together because of Earth's viewing perspective. Highlight how orbital motion creates these rare viewing opportunities. One of the most common misconceptions about a planet parade is that all the planets form a perfectly straight line across space. In reality, this is not what happens. Each planet travels around the Sun in its own unique orbit, moving at different speeds and varying distances. A planet parade occurs because of Earth's viewing angle, making several planets appear relatively close together in the sky, even though they remain separated by millions or even billions of kilometers. This perspective effect creates the illusion of a grand celestial alignment, transforming the night sky into a spectacular display that captures the attention of observers around the world. The science behind this event is a wonderful demonstration of the precision and predictability of our solar system. Astronomers can calculate the positions of the planets years, even decades, in advance because their orbits follow well-understood laws of motion and gravity. As Earth continues its journey around the Sun, our changing viewpoint occasionally allows multiple planets to become visible within the same region of the sky. These opportunities are uncommon, making each planet parade a memorable event for both professional astronomers and casual skywatchers alike. Different planets also appear with distinct characteristics during the alignment. Some shine with a brilliant white glow, while others display soft yellow, orange, or reddish tones. Their brightness varies depending on their distance from Earth and the amount of sunlight reflected from their surfaces or clouds. Although they may appear close together, each planet remains on its own independent path, continuing an endless journey around the Sun. The August 2026 Planet Parade is therefore not only a breathtaking. How to experience the Planet Parade. Share practical tips for observing the event, including the best viewing conditions, ideal locations away from city lights, and the value of binoculars or a telescope for a clearer view. Watching the August 2026 Planet Parade can become one of the most memorable stargazing experiences of the year, but a little preparation can make the difference between an ordinary glance and an unforgettable encounter with the night sky. The first step is choosing the right location. Bright city lights create light pollution, which washes out many celestial objects and reduces the contrast of the sky. Traveling to a rural area, an open field, a quiet beach, or a hilltop far from artificial lighting will provide a much clearer and darker view. The darker the sky, the more impressive the planets will appear, allowing their natural brilliance to stand out against the background of countless stars. Timing is equally important. Planetary alignments are often best viewed either shortly before sunrise or soon after sunset, depending on the positions of the planets during the event. Checking local sunrise and sunset times and arriving at the viewing location at least 30 minutes early gives your eyes time to adjust to the darkness. Human eyes need approximately 20 to 30 minutes to become fully adapted to low-light conditions. During this period, it is helpful to avoid looking at bright phone screens or vehicle headlights, as they can temporarily reduce night vision. If a flashlight is necessary, using one with a red light preserves your eye's adaptation far better than a standard white light. Weather conditions also play a major role in the viewing experience. A perfectly timed observation can still be spoiled by thick clouds, rain, or haze. Watching local weather forecasts several days before the event can help identify the clearest night. Even if clouds interfere on one evening, many planet parades remain visible over multiple days, giving observers additional opportunities to enjoy the spectacle. Patience often rewards those who continue watching, as clouds can sometimes clear unexpectedly during the night. Although the planets can often be seen with the naked eye, binoculars add an entirely new level of detail. Through a good pair of binoculars, planets appear brighter and more distinct from surrounding stars. A small telescope offers an even greater reward, allowing observers to see features such as Jupiter's four largest moons, Saturn's magnificent rings, or the changing phases of Venus under favorable conditions. However, expensive equipment is not essential. One of the greatest joys of a planet parade is that anyone can enjoy it simply by looking up, making it one of the most accessible astronomical events for people of all ages. Modern technology can also enhance the experience. Astronomy applications on smartphones can identify planets in real time by pointing the device toward the sky. These apps help beginners distinguish planets from bright stars and understand exactly which celestial objects they are observing. Printed star charts are another excellent option and encourage a deeper understanding of the constellations surrounding the planets. Learning to recognize familiar patterns in the sky transforms a casual observation into an educational journey through the solar system. Comfort should not be overlooked during a night of stargazing. Bringing a folding chair, a blanket, warm clothing, and refreshments allows observers to relax while waiting for the planets to become fully visible. In many locations, nights can become surprisingly cool even during summer months, so dressing in layers helps maintain comfort throughout the observation period. Spending an extended time beneath the stars also increases the chances of noticing satellites, meteors, or other unexpected celestial sights that add even more excitement to the evening. Sharing the experience with family members. The deeper meaning of looking up. Reflect on how the planet parade reminds us of our place in the universe. Emphasize that moments like these encourage wonder, patience, curiosity, and a stronger connection with the vast cosmos. The August 2026 Planet Parade is more than an astronomical event. It is a quiet reminder of how vast the universe truly is and how small, yet significant, our place within it can feel. In our busy lives, it is easy to become consumed by routines, responsibilities, and the constant flow of information. Looking up at a sky filled with shining planets offers a rare chance to pause, breathe, and reflect on something far greater than ourselves. For a few moments, everyday worries seem less overwhelming as the immense scale of the cosmos comes into view. This celestial gathering also reminds us that everything in the universe moves according to natural rhythms. The planets follow predictable orbits around the sun, traveling millions of kilometers without haste or confusion. Their graceful motion demonstrates the remarkable order that exists throughout the solar system. While life on Earth often feels uncertain and unpredictable, the steady movement of the planets reflects the enduring stability of the physical laws that govern the universe. It is a powerful example of balance, patience, and continuity across immense stretches of space and time. Observing a planet parade can also awaken curiosity. A single glance at the night sky often leads to deeper questions. How were these planets formed? What are their landscapes like? Could life exist elsewhere in the universe? These questions have inspired generations of explorers, scientists, and dreamers to push the boundaries of knowledge. Every major discovery in astronomy began with someone looking upward and wondering what lay beyond the familiar horizon. Perhaps the greatest gift of the August 2026 Planet Parade is the sense of unity it creates. People across different countries, cultures,